Take 1. 10.
My name's Funaki. I am 18 and my dad is from Lapaha and my mom's from Atata.
I'm Fifita. I'm 17 and I'm from Atata.
Hi, I'm Anjelia. I'm 16 and I'm from Aotearoa.
In the video, I think I was like year 5 in primary, and we had done the show before going to school. And I specifically remember Leah telling everyone not to look at the camera, and during the performance I had made eye contact with one of the cameras, and I remember thinking in my head, damn it, I looked at the camera. After the performance, everyone at school had seen it, and so we had all gone to school and everyone was like, oh, we saw you guys on TV.
I just remember being really shy and scared, but I was happy because I was alright because I knew I was with my family and stuff, and to comfort me and support me. So yeah, that was good.
I remember like leading up to that day, like we had like so many practices and everyone would always come. We'd all gather up at like Poto or our cousins' houses, and we'd all practice together, and like it'll be really nice because the whole family we were all together and we'd all sing and be happy, and like it was cool spending time together. And on the day everyone was rushing and it got hectic at the thing, like we were all rushing and we dropped everything and everyone was like, oh my gosh, like hurry up and get dressed, we're gonna go on soon. And we're like, oh okay. And I remember before I went on to go to dance, my mom gave me like the big talk that the ladies always give. They was like, oh, you better go smile. If you don't smile, I'm gonna give you a little something after. And then I was like, oh yeah, okay. And she's like, yeah, I'll buy you McDonald's after if you do it. And I was like, yeah, sure, I got this. And then when I got to the thing, Leah was telling everyone not to look at the camera. And I looked at the camera, and inside I was like, oh, since I looked at it, I might as well just keep looking at it, okay? And I just kept looking at the camera and stuff. And then after Leah was saying it was okay, and we all like took family group photos together, and we had paid. And my mom didn't buy me the McDonald's.
Tapai uhila ho alta, ave asi ete mamata, kia taulanga ofukobuna, neula wia e kakala iloa. Tapai uhila ho alta.
Fear, which is happiness. Happiness. With learning more about our culture and bringing everyone closer together.
Olunganga Fakakoloa, just like our Tongan culture. Learning about our Tongan dances and singing the songs.
Family, spending time with the family and being able to participate in the cultural things together as a family.
kone whai whai anga. Ke tatoli motokanga, he kuone fili fili e matanga. Talo fale te ine Samoa, ole asu nei Samoa Tonga. Mato fie fia loto e, tofa oe sia upele. Aue ahe, si eku fai lupe. Matala masani eku ngoe, o hange haakau ne tu umata fale. Eva ia mamata, he kone whai whai anga. Ke tatoli motokanga,